For the last time, this is Aricia here. As we wrap up Ubuntu 2024, we humbly ask that you take a moment to complete the post-event survey. You can find it in your mobile app or through the email we sent out. Your feedback is incredibly important to us. I hope you've enjoyed your time at Ubuntu 2024 and that you've left with valuable lessons, new connections, and enhanced skills. To close out our conference, Luzanne will be guiding us through some historically rich and culturally significant sites around the University of the Western Cape. It's the perfect way to end our journey together. For those continuing with the post-conference activities, I hope you have a fantastic time. Safe travels home, everyone. We look forward to seeing you next year.
Buckle up, because this final episode will take us through the stories of resilience, transformation, and breathtaking landscapes that define this part of Cape Town. Let's start with the University of the Western Cape, often referred to as UWC. This institution holds a significant place in South Africa's history, particularly during the apartheid era. Established in 1959 by the apartheid government, UWC was originally intended to be the university for colored people, reflecting the oppressive racial segregation policies of the time. During apartheid, UWC was sometimes called Bush University or the University of Robben Island because many of its students and faculty members were activists who ended up imprisoned on Robben Island. However, UWC defied these constraints and became a beacon of resistance against apartheid. The university was a hotbed of political activism, producing many leaders who played crucial roles in the struggle for freedom. Notable alumni include figures like Alan Boesak, a prominent anti-apartheid activist, and Kader Asmal, who later served as a minister in Nelson Mandela's government. The university's transformation from an instrument of segregation to a catalyst for change is a powerful testament to the resilience and determination of its students and faculty. Today, UWC is renowned for its commitment to social justice, community engagement, and academic excellence. The campus itself is a vibrant, dynamic space that reflects the diverse and inclusive values it stands for. As you walk through its grounds, you can't help but feel the weight of its history and the hope for its future. On the drive towards UWC, you might have noticed the majestic Table Mountain dominating the skyline. This iconic natural landmark is more than just a stunning backdrop. It's a symbol of Cape Town itself. Rising over 1,000 meters above sea level, Table Mountain is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of nature. Its flat-topped summit, often draped in a tablecloth of clouds, has captivated visitors for centuries. The Table Mountain Aerial Cableway, first opened in 1929, provides a spectacular ride to the summit. Each cable car can carry up to 65 passengers and rotates 360 degrees, offering panoramic views during its ascent. Table Mountain is home to a unique and rich biodiversity. It is part of the Cape Floral region, one of the world's 6 floral kingdoms. But Table Mountain is not just about its beauty. It has a rich cultural and historical significance. The Khoikhoi and the San people, the original inhabitants of the Cape, held the mountain in high reverence. During colonial times, the mountain was a landmark for sailors navigating the treacherous waters around the Cape of Good Hope. Today, it offers a myriad of hiking trails, providing breathtaking views of the city and the Atlantic Ocean. Whether you are an adventurer or a casual visitor, Table Mountain is a must-see. As we leave the view of Table Mountain behind, we enter the vast expanse of the Cape Flats. This area has a deep, complex socio-political history known as the dumping ground during apartheid. The Cape Flats were where thousands of non-white residents were forcibly relocated from areas designated for whites only. The forced removals, such as those from District 6, led to the establishment of large townships in the area. Life on the Cape Flats was, and in many ways still is, marked by hardship and resilience. Despite challenges of poverty, crime, and inadequate infrastructure, the communities here have developed a rich cultural identity. The Cape Flats is the birthplace of vibrant music scenes like the Cape Jazz and hip hop, which reflects the spirit and stories of its people. The Cape Flats also played a critical role in the anti-apartheid movement. Many of its residents were active in the resistance activities, and the area is home to numerous struggle heroes. Today, efforts continue to uplift and develop the Cape Flats, addressing the legacy of apartheid through community initiatives and government programs. Today, the Cape Flats are known for unique culinary traditions, including dishes like Gatsby sandwiches and shebeens. These informal bars operating in townships became social hubs during apartheid, when official bars were off limits to many non-whites. They still hold cultural significance today. I hope this journey through Cape Town's historical and cultural landscape has been as enlightening for you as it has been for me. Each location has its own tale that contributes to the rich tapestry of Cape Town. Thank you for joining us on this podcast series. I hope you've enjoyed these stories and that they've enriched your experience of our beautiful city. Remember that every corner of the city has a story to tell.